Gentlemen, if you haven't had a strong, firm erection in months, stop blaming your age. As a urologist, I've seen something extraordinary. Men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s regaining full, dependable erections, not with pills, but with something natural and simple. The answer wasn't in a pharmacy bottle. It was right there in their kitchen. I'm Dr. Charlotte Hayes, a board-certified urologist. For over a decade, I've helped men reclaim confidence and intimacy. Today, I'll share 4 simple fruits that can naturally restore blood flow for your performance and pleasure. These common fruits contain natural compounds that open up blood vessels, enhance sensitivity, and bring vitality back. No side effects, no prescriptions, just natural nourishment your body understands. You're not broken. You simply need the right support to wake your system up again. Weak erections are not just part of aging. It starts with your blood vessels. Inside your penis are tiny arteries that must widen and fill with blood for firmness. Over time, these delicate vessels narrow, stiffen, and lose flexibility, like old pipes. These blood vessels are some of the smallest in your body, making them the first to show trouble. Your erections are your body's early warning system for circulation. When blood can't flow freely, firmness weakens and confidence fades. Circulation can be improved dramatically, starting with the foods you choose daily. The 4 fruits I'm about to share help your body produce more nitric oxide, which tells your blood vessels to relax and open up. Let's start with the first fruit, often called nature's Viagra. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants that protect and rejuvenate blood vessels. When blood vessels open wider, circulation improves, including to the pelvic region. One study showed men drinking pomegranate juice daily reported improved erection quality within weeks. Robert, 63, was embarrassed. I told him to drink 1 small glass of pomegranate juice daily. A month later, he said, "Doc, I didn't think something so simple could make this difference." His confidence was back. Pomegranate also supports prostate health, reduces inflammation, and protects the heart. The second fruit is watermelon, one of nature's best sources of L-citrulline. Your body converts L-citrulline into nitric oxide, which opens vessels for free blood flow. Studies show men who regularly consume L-citrulline experience stronger, more dependable erections, and better stamina. A patient swapped ice cream for watermelon. Weeks later, he said, "Doc, my wife's not complaining anymore." Next, black grapes, small fruit, big results. They contain resveratrol, which improves artery health and boosts nitric oxide naturally. Howard, 71, added grapes to breakfast. A month later, he said, "It's like someone turned the lights back on. Now, citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits, limes. These are everyday artery protectors. Citrus strengthens blood vessels and keeps them flexible. Think of your arteries as garden hoses. The cleaner, the smoother the flow." Bill, a retired Navy engineer, drank fresh orange juice daily. He said, "It's like my body remembered how to feel young again." These 4 fruits can do incredible things for your circulation. They work best with small daily habits. Move daily, stay hydrated, prioritize sleep, cut down on fried foods and alcohol. Consistency is key. In the first 1 to 2 weeks, many men notice more energy, better sleep, and warmth in the pelvic area. By week 3 or 4, morning firmness often returns. By week 5 to 8, results deepen. Fuller erections, stronger arousal, and renewed confidence. This isn't a trick. You're not forcing your body, you're feeding it. This isn't the end. It's a signal that your body still wants to work with you. You are not too old, you are not broken, and it's never too late to begin. Start small. Tomorrow, add 1 fruit to your breakfast. Next week, add another. These small choices rebuild your circulation, confidence, and vitality 1 day at a time. If this message spoke to you, share it and subscribe for more science-based men's health advice. Your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting for you to take the first step.